Your work is constantly demanding more iterations, faster turnover, and more accurate results. In order to help you keep up, we've automated many of the tedious and time-consuming steps, allowing you to just build, solve, and analyze. One of the key steps of modeling is gridding. In the past 20 years, gridding hasn't changed much. 6SigmaET revolutionizes the way we model by completely automating the grid generation, giving you fast and reliable grid. Our brand new multi-level unstructured staggered grid maintains the robustness and reliability of traditional Cartesian grid, coupled with automatic localized grid. Let's show you how. Drop an object into the model. Click Generate Grid and solve. It's that simple. How? We used our years of experience in thermal modeling for electronics cooling to develop intelligent objects that have built-in gridding rules. The grid is placed in all the key areas automatically, which normally an experienced user would do themselves. For example, the software puts a minimum of 3 grid cells in between the fins and adds inflation layers above and below the PCB. This not only reduces the time but also reduces human errors. While dealing with large models, users may forget to add grid in a key area, which may yield some inaccurate results. The grid adapts to any changes to the model. Change the heatsink from extruded to pin fin. Rotate the angle geometry 90 degrees. No tweaking, no messing, no fuss. We also knew that the error checking of existing tools could be improved. With continuous error checking, you can graphically see collisions and errors and get clear instructions on how to fix the problem. Save time and communicate effortlessly with your design teams with the automatic report generation. It all comes back to what we've created for you. 6SigmaET is a solution that makes your life better by letting you do more and bringing the fun back into modeling.